Hey, good morning, fellas. We are live. We are live. Happy Friday to everybody. And good morning, everybody. Timbo, Pamela, good morning. Pal, good morning. Daryl Bapty, good morning. Trade Bum, S, Lawrence, Sam Owen, Peter, good morning. Good morning. Travis, Nolan, good morning. Black Coffee Trader in the house, good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Brass Donkey in the house. Good morning. Terry in the house. Good morning, Terry. Torsten. Diego Aluatosin. Good morning. Hey, I've been trying to do better with being on time. Am I doing better? I think I am. I'm trying to do better with being on time. Sean, good morning. Daniel, good morning. Matty Matt, good morning. Good morning. Trader Tate, Mr. Wall Street. Shredder. I'm nervous today. I'm nervous to do the opening trade, and we're gonna follow the rules. I've been psyching myself up to take this opening 3-minute trade. I know my biggest flaw today is going to be not getting stopped out. That's not going to be the problem. My biggest flaw, my biggest issue today is going to be if I enter and I'm like 150 or more in profit, it's going to be so hard. It's going to be so hard for me to not take profit early. I make no promises. Okay, checklist. Let's do the checklist. We are on micros. We are on the correct account. We have the correct lot size. We are on the 1-minute chart. Check. The pre-flight checklist is complete. Let's go. Pre-flight checklist complete. We are ready for takeoff. Everybody, get in your seats, buckle up, and enjoy the ride. It's gonna be a fun one. Wouldn't it be awesome to have just this banger 250 tick trade right off the open? Let's speak it into existence. Actually, no, let's not do that. Let's accept a loss. That's a better way to go about this. Let's just assume that we're going to accept a $200 loss. Again, we have $200 risk on the 50K and 150 and 250K accounts. We have a $600 loss cap at the 300K account. Let's see if we can stick in the trade for longer than 20 seconds, which I think it took 20 seconds yesterday to get stopped out. So we don't have very high expectations. All right, but wait, this should be fun. This should be fun. I'm going to try my best to follow the rules. I'm going to try my best. Hey, R5 Studios, good morning. Hey, Sean, you got your payout today? Let's go. Let's go. Trader Tate. Yes, I'm on micros. Ace Undercover, good morning. M. Susan, good morning. 250 point if the tick. Oh, yeah, let's do points. Okay, I'm down for that. Hey, Russell, good morning. Oh, the clock. Okay, yes, I forgot one thing. Clock. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Russell. Least Estimator, good morning. Go and Trades, good morning. Did the blizzard in the Browns game last night make you homesick? It kind of did. I had a lot of fun watching that game, though. Boom, boom. Let's go, Browns. Here we go, Brownies. Here we go. Ooh, ooh. Hey, if that's the one game they win, that's the game I want them to win against the Steelers. All right, boys, we have lifted off. This market is open. We are testing the 810s. Looks like we got a strong move here right at the opening. Will this hold? Or is this going to give us a fake pump and dump again like we did yesterday? Again, The close of the 2-minute candle and the opening of the 3-minute candle is where we enter. Oh, we do have red news at 9:45. Okay, good to know. Ooh, now we're testing below the... Okay, hang on. Now we got to be... Technically right now, this is a short setup. So we are 50 seconds away. 50 seconds away. Again, if we're 5 points close to the open, it's a no trade. Making a move higher. We got 25 seconds. Man, we might have a no trade day. We might have a no trade day. Just wait and see. We also need to mark it in 10 seconds. If we spike higher here, it's no trade. If we keep going, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're in short. It was close, but it was definitely a trigger short. Now, will this hold? Or will we get stopped out in 2 seconds like we did yesterday? Uh-oh. We might get ripped again. We might get ripped again. Ugh. No, not twice in a row. We're going to hit twice back-to-back days. Uh-oh. There it is. It is what it is. No! Okay, I want to look at this candle. Opening of 782. All right, it's okay. We took minimum, you know, it is what it is. We can't win them all. I'm very curious. Is this going to rip above this 820 now? Okay, we can switch back. All right, 2-minute chart now. A little bit of a choppy open. Let's see if we get above this 820. There's a chance that this thing is going to rip. Now we just wait. But hey, we followed the plan. We know it's not, we're going to have, I always tell myself, this strategy only has a 56% win rate. It's only a 56% win rate, but on the winning days, we should be making close to $600 to $800 per account. So it's okay. It's just we can't pick and choose. We just got to follow the strat. We got to give it time. I've been kind of curious on my fills. My fills actually on the live account have been relatively same as my fills on the Apex accounts. Very similar. I've been kind of curious on how that will work. So, all right. Well, now we got our work cut out again for us to try to battle back and get these accounts into green. That's our job now. The rest of the day is to battle back. All right, we're trying to get above this 820 area. See if we can do it. It's trying to. There we go, 825s. Trying to push above that 830 area. There we go, pushing the 830s. Is she gonna rip? Man, we've just been totally wrong. The last two. All right, here we go. 830s. We need to get above the 840s here. 845s technically. Then we have the 880s, and then we got the 900s. I'm not looking to trade this. Hey, MM. MM, are you serious? You got approved on your payout? Wait, are you serious, MM? Let me check my messages. Wait, MM, can you email me? Or what happened? Did they approve you based on your appeal? Or what did they say? MM, I'm very curious. That is awesome news, though. Awesome news. Let's go. I did all the accounts. Yes, Mr. Wall Street. Starting yesterday, we were doing this on all the accounts. Hey, Josh, good morning. Happy Friday to you as well. Neo, good morning. Amelia Stitcher, good morning. How we doing, everybody? Charlie, good morning. If we can't buy new accounts from Apex, can we reset the accounts which we already have? I think you can, Charlie. Also, for everyone that is in probation, I've been told that in the next 2 weeks, the probationary thing should be sorted out, is what I've been told. So I guess we'll wait and see. I'm not sure what that means, but that's just the information I was given. All right, now we're pulling back. We tested the 836s, but never did make it really above the 830s. Now pulling back. Let's see. The overnight high. So the overnight high we had at the 845s. The overnight low is down here at the 694s. So let's see. In the past couple days, we've always tested that low at some point. Is today going to be another one of those days? Or are we just going to rip this thing lower? Hey, Aaron, good morning. Good morning, Kid Poker. Yeah, NQ was crazy yesterday. Yeah, Matty Matt, that's what I thought. I'm market ordering in, and my fills are relatively similar. I'm not expecting them all to be the same, but it's not too bad. Especially considering that we're trading right at the open, which is very volatile. Now we got to dig ourselves out of this hole again. But hey, I'm down for a good challenge. I'll take on a good challenge, you know. Expect another Russian ballistic missile attack anytime. The times we live in, man. The follower accounts are always market orders. I'm not sure they are going. I think you can change that setting. I know you can change it in Replicanto. And we continue now. Let's see if this was just a dip buying opportunity. This looks like we might rip here. Yeah, if it's a limit, it'll be a limit order on your follower accounts too. Because you do sometimes you actually do not get filled on your follower accounts. Yeah, go end trades. But that is true. Like sometimes you don't get filled. If it just does like a little wick, some of the accounts sometimes don't get filled, which is where it causes issues. Because then when you get target filled, then those trades go into a reverse position. Hey, good morning, Win. Sean, having shares in Lockheed Martin, I think that makes me a true American. It's not untrue. Okay, are we gonna let's see if we just rip through these 40s. This is starting to feel like a very bullish day. We never even tested the lows here. We didn't even test the lows here. If we can break out above this 30 area, above the 40 area right now, this is starting to feel very bullish. Also, we do have news in 4 minutes. Thank you, Orlando. Good morning, Orlando. Good morning, Rad Poker. When the refunds from FTT. Is it true, Rad Poker, is it true that people have been texting Scott to get their refunds? Charlie, yes, I did see that. While in live, you can't trade XFAs anymore. Yeah, I did see that. Okay, breaking out. Here we go. Above the 40s. Bullish bias confirmed. All the way up to the 45s. We are shooting this thing to the moon. I assume we're going to go test that 900 level. Man, this is tempting to jump in here on a pullback. It is tempting me. Man, I'd prefer to wait a little bit. Is it true, Red Poker? That's just too funny. I don't know why, but that just cracks me up. It's like that is typical fast track trading method. You have to text the owner to get a refund. I mean, I can only imagine some of the text message that guy's getting. I mean, hold it. But he's probably wanting to do that to try to stay out of lawsuits, I assume. PMI news in 2 minutes. Thank you, Go End Trades. I may have tried FaceTiming him if I got denied. Oh, man. Yeah, exactly, Daryl. Good morning, Orlando. Good morning. Oh. Man, I got these new monitors. So my bottom 3 monitors are new monitors. They're the OLED monitors. One thing I didn't realize about the OLED monitors is, at least for the ones that I have, I didn't realize that they auto dim. It is so annoying. And like after 10 minutes of not moving your mouse on the screen, they will just auto dim. And it's super annoying. Actually super annoying. And I'm not, yeah, I would not have bought these if I would have known that. But here we are. Yeah, Amelia. I don't know how to turn it off. I've tried looking on YouTube. I've tried looking everywhere. I can't find any settings. Like, it doesn't look like you can turn it off. If someone knows, oh, it's the Aegon OLED 27-inch ALED monitor, and oh, all right, here we go above the 60s. We are ripping this thing higher now. Let's see. Let's just push right up to the 900s. Why not? The news was out. News was a little didn't do much. We have the dimmers on all our lights. Exactly. I want my screens to be lit up. Turn off energy saver. Maybe I'm missing a setting. I'm going to look again. Advanced display options. There's nothing here. I don't know. I'm going to do some more research on YouTube. I think it's called smart energy savings. Turn off. Exactly. That's a lot of red, my selfie mirror. Yeah, eventually, after a couple days in a row, my selfie mirror, after a couple days in a row, you kind of get used to it. Turn off HDR according to Grok. I did. HDR is turned off. White FX mode. Wow, look at this market. Here we go. It wants that 900 level. Here's the 60-minute chart. Man, look at this rip low. I mean, this was just a crazy move. Really need to start looking for a long here somewhere. Caught longs at 800. Let's go, Sean. You're selling 89-point trade. Let's go, man. You're killing it. You're killing it. I love to see it. RG Ace, how we doing? Yeah, I'm kind of thinking the same. This might be one of those buy and hold days. I would love that. It's kind of what I'm hoping. Hoping we just get one of those go long and just slow grinding higher day all day long. But we shall see. Okay, getting a pullback here. We might take a stab here. Now it's pulling back too much. Gotta be patient here. I don't want to jump in too soon. I've seen too many big red dumps in the last couple days. I don't want to get in front of a freight. Oh my word, look at this. Now it's really ripping lower. All right, now we're just going to wait. Uh-oh, this is not good. If we take out this 780... Oh, wow, look at that. This is crazy. This is where the market starts acting very crazy. Big rip higher. Bounce off that 790, 800 area. Let's see if it keeps going. Man, these days where we're just getting like, we were at the 870s literally a minute ago, and just like that we dropped 70 points. I don't care, man. That's hard to trade. That is crazy. Okay, let's see if this holds. If we dip below the 770s, this thing could turn red real quick. Here we go. It's trying to bounce off of the open here. Oh, it's tempting to just jump in here for a bounce right off of the VWAP here and off the opening. It's tempting me. I'm going to take it. We might regret this, but we can get a bounce. We'll take it. If not, we'll just take a loss. We're only in one contract here. Pretty small size. See if we can ride a big move higher. Come on, I need to see this thing go right now. Need to break above this. Come on. I might kill it if it doesn't go. There we go. There we go. All right. Now we're locking it in. Big green candles. Let's go. Oh, it's not going to let me out. Come on. That was rude. Okay, there we go. All right, we will take that. We will take that. Oh, there is more news at 10. 4 minutes. Okay, good to know. Thank you. All right, is this going to just make another move lower? I think we're going to pop here. I think... Wow. Okay, let's see if we just retake that high, the 870s. I'd be long if we didn't have news in 3 minutes. Yeah. I mean, I really like this. Once we started holding on this VWAP and the opening right here, felt like it was definitely worth an entry. Yeah, it's just a yellow news event. So I don't think it's going to do that much. Okay, there we go. 850s. Just a big sweep lower here. All right, we got 2 minutes till news. Yeah, that React Visual, that's the thing. Like, lately the market has done more of this than... I feel like, well, you just need to look at the 60-minute chart. Look at this. Look at these big sweep like this. This is not a good chart if you're a trend trader, which I would consider myself a trend trader. A trend trader, this is not ideal. This is not ideal. Because even some of these moves that we get, there are no entries. It's just straight down, straight up, and this is hard to trade for a trend trader. There's just no way around it. Like right here, this is good for trend trading, but we'll just try to be patient. Make sure we follow the stop losses. That's all we can do. You know, it's just the longer that I trade, the longer and the more that I trade, the more that I realize that the key to day trading, it's like not even a competition what the key is. The key to day trading is accepting losses. It's that simple. If you can accept losses as a given, and if you can just accept losses, it's the key to trading. It is the key to trading, is accepting losses. In my opinion, if you can't accept a loss, or if you struggle accepting losses, it is just a matter of time before you will blow up, because you will make good money when you're on a winning streak and on a hot streak. It'll be okay and it'll be fine. But as soon as, if you don't accept losses, all those wins will just disappear like that. It's inevitable. But we as traders, I feel like we focus way more on the winning trades and trying to focus on how to get winning trades, which is important, but I feel like we should focus more on how to accept losses. If we would focus more on how to accept losses, we would become better traders than if we just try to focus on getting really good winners. But it's so hard to do. It's so hard to do. Yeah, exactly, Terry. It's so hard to do. And that's why day trading is so hard. It's really that simple. But once we can get that through our head, like, it's one thing for me to just say it. It's something completely different to put it into practice. But once we can actually accept that part of trading, I think is when we can start to actually make really good progress in trading. It's just, that's, I don't know. The longer I trade, the more that becomes so apparent to me. It's just glaringly obvious that if we can't accept a loss, you will not survive. I mean, we kind of survive in the prop firm world because, and that's kind of one part that I feel like the prop firm industry does a bad job of, is it kind of doesn't, the prop firm world makes it so that you don't really have to accept losses. Like, you can just choose not to accept losses and then just keep buying more accounts. And you can actually still be net profitable. And I think that part can be a bad thing, because it kind of puts then a bad, how would I say, just some bad habits can be formed with how we trade prop firms. Because if we have a live account, it is not sustainable to not accept losses. It's just not. Like, it's just not a sustainable method. You got to accept losses. You got to have a stop loss in place. You got to have risk management. If you don't, it's just a matter of time until you blow your account. Enter a trade with a mindset that your stop loss is a loss already. Exactly, mistrading. Exactly. I think that is the key. Like, one thing that I started doing is when I enter a trade, ask yourself the question of, am I okay with taking a loss? And if you are not, you probably shouldn't take the trade, or maybe your size too big. But if you enter the trade already accepting a loss, it is way easier to actually accept a loss. If you enter a trade with just a predetermined outcome that, hey, this trade is going to be a winner, I'm sure of it. If you enter a trade of overconfidence going into it, is when you start to mess up, because then if the trade goes against you, your brain can't comprehend that you're wrong. And you're just like, no, there's no way I'm wrong. So you start adding more to it, and it just keeps going lower. And you start DCAing like a degen, and next thing you know, the account is blown, and you don't know what happened. Like, we all know we've all been there. We have all been there. Been there, done that. But it's not fun. That's the part I want to eliminate. Okay, here we are again down at the 800s. This is interesting. Now, this concerns me because we did not make new highs. So now I'm kind of neutral. I think we could go lower. I think we could, I don't know. Now we just wait. Talk about a M shape. We'd put in the M shape. But this kind of open is also this strategy, the 3-minute, the nutty strategy, whatever we're going to call it, would also not, this is not a great, this is not what we want to see. All right, market, what are we doing? Oh, it could be tempting here to buy again. I'm not really in the mood. I'm just going to wait. No need to get aggressive. Let's get out of this consolidation and hopefully the market can choose a direction here soon. I'm trying to pass another Tradeify account. Oh. Trying to pass a Tradeify account. Hey, actually here, I'll show you what my chart here. Let me see if I can show you. I'll show you guys what my chart looks like when I try to pass evals or test accounts, whatever you want to call them. This is what it looks like. Look at this. Look at this mess. Crazy. Lots and lots and lots of degen activity when trying to trade or pass evals. This is what it looks like. It's a bloodbath. It's a bloodbath. I stole your chart. It looks like a Christmas tree. Yeah, I agree. Oh, man. Let me zoom in. I'll make it even worse. You talk about craziness right here. But hey, this account, this is the test account. This is the account I'm trading. These two are the funded accounts that I currently have with them. But this one here, I hit the daily loss limit on it yesterday. So I only had like $1,500 of drawdown left. Very little drawdown left heading into today. I probably shouldn't show you guys this because now it's probably cursed and I'll probably blow the account anyway, but we are, what is it? We're $1,620 away from passing this account. Going from, basically we basically need to make 13,000 today on it, and we have $1,500 of drawdown. I was fully expecting this account to be blown. So we'll take it. But to be determined. We're not there yet, but I sure hope we can pass that thing. Okay, here we go. Now down below the 770s. She wants to... This is looking like a breakout to the downside now. How low will she go? Okay, now if this just wicks down through, this could be a trap for the shorts. If this holds. That's interesting. This could be a trap. Let's wait and see if we get a continuation or not. All right, let's see if we get a let's see if do we test the lows of the overnight. Lows of the overnight are down here at the 700s. I wouldn't be surprised, would not be surprised if we go test that. We just chilling. Hey, Sharu's in the house. Good morning, Sharu's. Hey, Diversatility in the house. Also, Daryl, good morning. Mark NQ, good morning. Dave Mack, good morning. Microplayer, good morning, everybody. It's snowing in Gettysburg, PA. Let's go, Dave Mack. Hang on. Let me see if it's snowing in Ohio. Hang on. Trying to get a bounce off of the 50, 60 level there. Man, my phone is almost dead. Yikes. Forgot to charge my phone overnight. I hate when I do that. Okay, looks like this wants to bounce maybe. I don't know. If this rips higher from here, man, I'm tempted to go. I'm tempted here to take another long. Mm-mm-mm. There's no need to be risky here. Let's just wait. See if we get a continuation lower or not. Okay, maybe we do. We wait. We shall wait. Are we going to make new lows? If this fails to make new lows here, I think I will take this long. Basically, my order will be right here. Hello? We might not get filled. If we don't, it's fine. Yeah, black coffee. This is tough. It's okay. We don't need to trade this either. This wants to be difficult. We'll just wait. Be patient. Oh, it's like the market is high. Yeah, Charuz. It's very true. It's like the market is on meth. That's literally what it seems like lately. It's a meth head. Do you take your pets to Florida? So Lewis, um, we had a dog. So Axe was his name, which is still his name. But we actually ended up giving him to another family. We ended up giving him to another family because of we knew we'd have to move down here, and it just didn't work. So we actually gave him to another family, and he's being well taken care of, and he's doing really well. He's doing really, really well. Okay, this could fill us here. I'm kind of scared. Not gonna lie. Oh, do I leave this on or not? I'm gonna close. I'm just not gonna. This is too choppy. Even though my feel like it's gonna be a good trade if we keep it, but hmm. Those dogs need to be on a farm. Go and trades. Yeah. I wish I could give our dog away. It was actually so it was kind of difficult because I didn't want to sell our dog because I wasn't doing it for the money and I wasn't trying to I wanted to have full control over where our dog went because it was way more important that he went to a really good home than it was anything else. So we had like we basically gave him away for free, and we just gave him to but we had like 4 or 5 people apply um to take him, and we just kind of interviewed all of them, and it was so easy it was very, very easy to decide which family to give him to. um it was very easy to decide, and it's been a we check in now and then from also just to see how he's doing. I miss him. We all miss him. So it's kind of a bittersweet thing. It just didn't work, but at the same time, I kind of yeah. The longer that we don't have him, the more that I miss him. But it's one of those things. He was a golden doodle, a miniature golden doodle. And he was a really good dog. He was really well house trained, and just he was a really good dog. So My dog is my little shadow. Yeah, Eddie. It's the small things. I mean, it's the small things that are nice to have a dog. A dog really is man's best friend. They are always there. A dog is the definition of unconditional love. They don't, they're always there. All right, market, pick your poison and let's go. What are we doing here? Man, oh man. Yeah, he's always happy to see you. Exactly. You have a golden doodle, Ben E. Awesome. That's awesome. I would save a dog before a person if I had to choose. I'm not too sure about that, but no, I think they're hey, Red Clay Trader, good to see you. You got a golden doodle? Oh wow. The worst mistake we ever made, a furry bundle of terror. Is he still a puppy? I will say there are certain dogs that it seems like they forgot to give them a brain. If you know what I mean, there are some dogs that just seem to be missing a brain and you can't teach them anything. They're like a cat. It's like they got a cat brain instead of a dog brain because you can't teach them anything. That gets annoying. Oh, are we making new lows here? Hang on, boys. Let's see if we make new longs or is this just another trap? Up, up, there she goes. And just like that, we're ripping back up. Man, this market is crazy. Okay, can we pass this account? Oh, wait, you guys, okay. We did it! We did it! Look, look, Mom, we did it. We passed. We were $1,500 away. $1,500 away from hitting the loss limit on this account, and we have passed it. Almost 13,000 in profit. Let's go. I did not expect to pass that account. One thing I've decided, the other thing I've kind of decided is I see someone is in Patrick's chat trying to troll. Who just said that in Pat's channel? I will find you. Hey, thank you, D. Yeah, at least that's from what I heard. Someone was spamming and they were saying things I didn't even say. Typical. All right, boys. All of his YouTube viewers are just worthless. Someone just tried to instigate you against Patrick. Yeah, Luatos, and I was listening when that happened. Go into Patrick's chat and say Nutty never said that. No, I don't even care, but I hate when people just make up stuff just to try to start drama on YouTube between viewers or between streamers. It's pretty low. Hey Hazel, anyone have issues with Ninja Trader? I did not have any issues, Meta. I did not have any issues. Tell him. Anyway, we cannot seem to get above the VWAP all of a sudden. It just cannot do it. You had issues with Trade of 8, Ninja Trader, Dire Futures Trader just this morning? Yeah, Manuel, I heard. No, in complete honesty, I think Patrick Whelan right now is probably on one of the hottest hot streaks of trading that he's at least been on. In the last 2 months, Patrick's been killing it. I mean, he just has. He has been killing it. And down we go again to the 770s. Are we going to get out of this range or what? All of a sudden, we just can't get anything going. Are we going to make new lows here? I feel like we need to go and just test. I feel like we need to go down here and test the 700s, test this low of the overnight, and then maybe we can pick a direction on what we want to do. But right now, we're just trading in this range. Hey, there we go, dipping lower. 730s. Wow, there she goes, 720s. Just ripping this now. Watch this just rip straight back up now. Yeah, I saw that, Orlando. I'm curious who it is. Are we going to test those overnight lows? Let's see. Look at this. Now we're just right back up into this range. I will just... This is... Ugh. Scott. And down goes Fraser. Okay, maybe we bounce off this 720, I guess. I don't know. And here I had hopes. Here I had hopes that we'd just see a nice uptrending day. The market said, not so fast. Not so fast. Hey, Bismito, you're here again because of Patrick Wieland. Did you tell him that? I heard that someone was spreading some fake information and that I said that I never said, so whatever. All right, let's see. We're testing the 15-minute low now. What are we doing here? He said he gave you 5K. That's the most I ever made in a day. He did. No, you know what the sad thing is, Bismito? You can rewatch the stream if you want, but I never said anything bad about, well, not today. I didn't say anything about Patrick, and then this random guy on his stream tries to start stuff that I never even said. It's hilarious. Yeah, people do that. I was actually telling him that Patrick is actually on, in the last 2 months, Patrick is probably on one of the bigger trading hot streaks that we've seen in a while. Like, he's been killing it. He really has. Hey, Design, you can't talk about the 800 anymore. Patrick paid his debts and some. And some. Hey, Kellyanne in the building. We love gossip. Yeah, exactly. You got denied on Apex with probation standards not met. Does anyone know what that is and why? Trade and Chaz. Tell me, what was your account balance and what was the amount that you requested? Yeah, Scott Mitchell, he really is. I mean, he's been killing it with his trading as of late. The last 2 months, he's been killing it. It's kind of interesting. I don't know. I wonder how Top Step, I don't know. It's going to be interesting how Top Step goes forward with. Did I ever get sued? No, I did not. I got threatened to get sued, but I never actually got sued. There's a certain streamer that I once was talking smack about, and he threatened to sue me for it. That was funny. That was a funny time. He's taking it more serious because he's selling his course. It could be, Orlando. It could be. Design Knob, where you been, Design? Where you been, Design? Oh, man. Why does Friday trading always suck? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I don't know why. But right now, this price action is terrible. I've not been sued, not even a cease and desist. I see, Kellyanne. Hang on, let me get with my lawyer. I think I have, you used a clip of me without my permission. I'm just kidding. I did, Kellyanne, that one video you did when I was calling the SEC. Oh man, that's too funny. That was pretty funny. I still stand by it. I still stand by it though. I feel like that trade definitely needed to be investigated. If I ever get one, we will totally make fun of it on YouTube. You always take Fridays and scalping. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna try really hard to battle back to green again today. We had our opening 3-minute trade and we suffered another loss. So now our job is to try to battle it back to green the rest of the day. I don't need your permission. It's a public video. Hey, don't come in here with your facts, Kellyanne. I was just kidding, by the way. It was so funny. It was. I don't know, man. Some of my trades, if you've seen it, I'm not trading this trash. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It is trash. The market should pay us to trade this. I'm going to, let's do this. Okay, market, what's the plan? See, if we break above this 772, like, feel like I could talk myself into taking a long, but I'm not gonna do it. I know better. I know better. Okay, let's see. Can we hold above this 15-minute opening range low? We got a lot of support or resistance here at the 75s. Let's see if she can go. Still waiting on my U-Profit. My U-Profit payouts to be approved. They're starting to take a little bit longer than they have in the past, I've noticed. All right, here we go. This is looking like a long, possibly. Jeez. Oh, man. I could totally talk myself into taking a long right here. The problem with a long right here is my stop loss. If I take a long right here, I feel like my stop loss needs to be like all the way down here. Let's see if we can get a little pullback. Man, now it's just going to go straight up. Okay, whatever. Whatever, market. Do your thing. We'll just wait. At this rate, maybe we just need to go play around a golf. You know what I need to do? I'm going to go to the putting green. I'm going to go to the local putting green with my wedge and about 5 balls, and I'm going to figure out how to chip on this stupid grass here in Florida. The grass around the greens is I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to I don't know how to play my wedge game. Like back home, one of my strong suits was my chipping game around the green was really good. Here in Florida, it's just terrible. Like I keep chunking it. But the grass, it's weird. So the grass here is almost like a carpet, or not really a carpet, but it's very fluffy. And yeah, it's Bermuda grass, and it's very fluffy. And as soon as your club hits it, it just stops your club. Like it's like putting on the emergency brakes when you hit that grass. So if you don't clip the ball just perfectly, like you need to just clip it right off the grass, it just stops your club and the ball goes literally 5 feet. It is so frustrating. Design. First world problems. That's fair. That's fair. Right now, that's like one of my biggest problems in my life right now is that grass. I understand that is very minor. No, it's not actually one of my bigger problems. It's more of one of my bigger frustrations. What part of Florida am I? I'm in the Sarasota area. I usually Happy Gilmore the golf ball. Use a 7-iron and hit it like you would a putter. Really? Actually, okay. Actually, that's not a terrible idea. So many pro golfers in the chat. Hey, I actually need to watch some videos on YouTube about how to play it. I don't know. I need to figure out that part of my game because it's important, you know? Oh, man, market. Give me a pullback here. I'd like to get a pullback. If we get a pullback down to like the 800 level, I think I would take a stab at it long. And it's not going to give it to me. We're just going to rip this thing higher. Oh, okay, it's fine. We just have to look at it go. Man. Wow, what a rip. Bermuda is nothing compared to California. Oh, really? That's even harder? It can stop a 3-iron cold. Can you give a shout out to my 8-month pregnant girl, Stephanie? Let's go, Jai. Hey, Stephanie. Congratulations on 8-month pregnant. I hope you're sitting down and I hope you have your feet up. That's where you should be. Taking it easy. Shout out to you. Price action was just horrible. Yeah, it's been pretty bad. Like this is what I don't like about this type of price action. Once we do kind of get a move going, it's just straight up. It doesn't even give me a chance to get in unless I'm just going to chase it. So it's literally either you catch a breakout or you just have to sit and watch this go. I don't know. I guess it is what it is. 8K in the bank for the day. Let's go, Sean. You've been killing it. Congratulations. I love to see it. Have you tried using stop orders to enter? Yes, I have. Bizimoto. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. Bizimoto. So usually I will do this to enter my breakouts. This is what I use usually. Right here was the trade. Like as soon as if we get above this, I could have taken it, but with all this, also could have taken the breakout trade here at the 795s. I'm just not much of a breakout trader. Most breakouts fail, so I don't really take breakout trades for the most part. But I just want to wait on a pullback. Now we're not even we're not getting nothing. This thing is just gonna rip higher. Wow. What in the world? Are we just gonna rip right through this 870 right now? No pullbacks? Come on. Okay, maybe we get a pullback here. Or are we going to triple top right here at the 850s? As you know, the 850 level from yesterday, it was also a pretty important level, so definitely got some work to do to get above this 850. When was the last time we did not have a V at the open? Great question in design. Great question, design. It seems like lately that is just been standard. And just like that, okay, we're getting now. See, now this isn't. Now I'm worried this is just going to V shape all the way back down. That's how crazy this market has been. I don't know that I want to trust it. The moves are just very violent. Very violent moves. We asked for a pullback, but now I have it. Now I'm not happy. I want it to be more calm. I want the pullbacks to be a little more of a calm pullback, not these violent, crazy. I mean, this pull. I mean, this is okay. We got it from the 840s down to the 820s, so I guess beggars can't be choosers. It's just too volatile for me. Too volatile. Let's see if we consolidate a little bit here at the 840, 830s here. Yeah, because that's what I'm doing. I'm trading only 2 micros at the moment with this kind of volatility. Only 2 micros at the moment. Once volatility dies down, we'll go up to 4 micros, but it's just too crazy right now. We have so many 100-point moves that it's starting to just become normal. Yeah, so far it's a no continuation market. Yep. It is. I'm if we just consolidate here for a little bit, then we will take this long. All right, looks like we want to test the 810s. Hmm. Man. Okay, are we going to get filled here? And we are filled. Now, don't wick me. Don't wick me. Is it going to wick me? Don't wick me. Don't do it. This has the makings of being wicked in. Ugh. Come on, Bulls. Get in here. Rip it. This is not ideal. Rip it. Come on. Give me that breakthrough. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on, don't. No, that was rude. That was rude. I thought I was going to break out. I thought we were going to break through right there. If we break through right there, make new highs. Now I'm not sure I like this. I'm not sure I like this. I'm going to get out. I might be wrong, but I'm getting out. And why are we still in this trade? Hang on. There we go. I don't like that wick. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Oh, shoot. You know what we forgot to do, guys? Oh, man. I forgot. We forgot our key strategy. We forgot the key strategy. We forgot to walk out of the room. Man. We forgot to walk out of the room. I forgot to hide. Exactly, Judy. We forgot to hide out of the closet. Oh, man. If only we would have done that. I completely forgot. Also, we got to remember, we can't make fun of the market today, okay? We know the market. We were a little bit rash yesterday, so the nutty peep. Yep. All right, let's see if we break through here. It's just feeling kind of stagnant all of a sudden. Are we gonna... What are we doing here, boys? Hey, Fab W, thanks for the sub. Alex Z, thanks for the sub. Timothy Daniels. And thank you, everyone. Thank you. Hey, good morning, Joseph. Wood Chip, good morning. You're shorting 835s? I mean, I don't hate shorting here, honestly. I don't hate it. If we break through the 820s to the downside, I think we go test the 800s for sure. Here we go. Got to get down through here, though. I'm still biased that we're going higher. Man, see, this is... Oh, man. I'm going to take this. I'm going to take it. All right. Need a push here. Come on. Go, baby, go. Don't make me move out of the closet. I will. I will do it. Oh, come on. Is it? This is a slow, painful death trading this market this morning. We can't seem to... Here. Give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. Just hold on. We did it again. Boom. Get wrecked, market. Get wrecked. We have figured out. We have an infinite money glitch, guys. Wah, 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 wah. man. Oh, that's too funny. Too funny. I mean, look at it, guys. As soon as I come back in, look at what we're doing. I don't know. I can't make this up. Closet peep strategy is OP. I will be selling a course very, very soon. Very soon. Oh, man. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I think we got something here. Can you please leave the room when I make a trade? Yes, I will. Just hang on. Stop looking at the symbol. J Diaz. Look, I'm sorry. If you were long, here's what you guys need to understand. If I come back in the room, get out of your longs. I can't make it any more clear. Also, this is not trading advice. Oh my gosh, this is too funny. This is just too funny. Oh. All right, I feel like we could go to 4 micros now. I feel like. We should have made more money on that trade. Am I tripping? I took a short at that long, got stopped out. Hey, Kellyanne, so if you weren't here yesterday, you got to go look. But I figured out a infinite money glitch. If I go long, I just have to go out of the room and then the market will go up. As soon as I come back in, market goes down. That's only if I'm in a trade. This is only in effect if I'm in an actual trade. If I'm not in a trade, market doesn't care. I don't make the rules. 30-minute candles are totally sideways. Yeah, I know. It's just bad. This trading right now, trading this price action is it's just yucky. Very yucky. Hey, we sold at the top. Let's go. See, now if I almost want to get in again right here. Kinda want to do it, kinda don't. We need to switch it to 4 micros, I think. I think we're okay doing 4. Just got to be patient now. Kind of want to see this get above the 850s before I take another long. But right now, it's looking like we want to go higher. It's looking like we want to go higher. It looks like you're already in the closet, and when you walk out, it's in your bedroom. Yeah, Bobby, that's true. I am in the closet now. When I go out of the closet, I'm in our bedroom. So, that's how poor I am. I stream from my closet. No, I'm not. I guess the closet is at least a nice size. Yeah, Bobby. Cracker Jack. How's it going, Cracker Jack? You good? Yeah, double your profit long when Nutty leaves. Short when he comes back. That is essentially the play. Walk-in closet. I guess you're right, S. When Nutty's wife is home, the bed is made. Oh, you're right. Hang on, I need to go make the bed. David Wren. uh no, I don't want to say I'm poor. I'm very blessed. My thoughts is a dump. It could be. We kind of looking like we might. Let's see if the EMA holds. If this EMA holds or not. That will be the key. Oh, come on, market. Just do something. The way this is consolidating like this. As long as we hold above this 820, then I feel like we're okay along. But if this rips down below the 820s, this thing we could see a big sell-off again. Hang on. Oh, I was muted. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. All right, we just continuing lower. I guess we will wait. If this is just gonna roll over now, I'm gonna be disappointed. What happened to Alpine? He's sick right now, Matt. I text him again this morning to see how he's feeling, and he wasn't feeling any better, unfortunately. So I tried to. I'm encouraging him to go to the hospital, man. He's starting to get me worried. All right, now we're testing the VWAP. The VWAP. But this looks like we're just gonna roll over again. Rolling over. All right, maybe we get a bounce off the VWAP here. Man, my wrist is hurting me today. Yep. Is this gonna rip or not? Are we just gonna continue to bleed lower? I think we're just gonna keep going lower the way this is looking. The buyers are, oh, the buyers disappeared. Man, I might actually take this. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. We got, what do I do? Only a couple of my accounts were filled. Let's just close out of them. Let's try this again. Okay, let's just wait. This might... Is this gonna bounce like this? We might have chased this a little bit too aggressively. Ugh. Come on, just fall apart. If you want to go lower, let's go lower. I'm here for it. Come on. Ugh. Oh, man. Come on, rip it. Lower. Go, baby. Come on. Do I need to move? Do I need to step out of the closet? Huh? Do I? Come on, just fill me. All right, let's go. Flush it, baby. Need to get below this 75 area right here. Come on. Go, baby, go. Flush, flush, flush. We're going to take it off. Let's go. Let's go. Are you trading micros or minis? That was micros. But yeah, mostly micros. Now, are we just gonna, I mean, is this gonna just test the lows here? Wow, it is just gonna keep going. Look at her go. Once we got below this VWAP is kind of why I kind of shifted my bias. Man. Are we going to bounce off of this kind of double bottom here, the 750s? We might. We might see a bounce here. But right now, there's a lot of sellers here. It wants a double bottom of the London session. Yeah, I know. The 700s, I feel like, are going to get tested, but we'll wait and see. They're the same, Cheroos. Kind of. Have you watched the trader documentary of Paul Tudor Jones? I have not. Do you make any money from YouTube for the live streaming? Amco, no, on my live streams, I don't turn on ads for my live streams, so I do not. I have ads on my recap videos, but YouTube makes not much money. Not much at all. I think I average like $400 a month from YouTube, but YouTube is not not a money making tool for streamers. I mean, I don't know. I would probably make quite a bit more if I would monetize, if I would turn on ads on my live stream, but to me it isn't worth it. It isn't worth it unless you have like 200,000 subs, or if you would get like 2,000 viewers a day, maybe then it would be worth it, but it's still nice, but let's be honest. I mean, YouTube is more just the vehicle for like people using my code, and that type of stuff makes way more money, way more money than YouTube does. So yeah, if Apex affiliates, yeah, the affiliates from, I mean, all the affiliates are way more than what YouTube pays. Yes. All right, we're getting a bounce here. Kind of interested if we, okay, maybe not, but I might take another short here. Got to be careful though. This is where I sometimes get trapped. Got to be careful. Tudor Jones was a habitual DCAer? Oh, really? Trade bum. Interesting. You're currently in long? Let's go, Shrews. Good luck, sir. Oh, okay. From YouTube? Okay. I'm sorry, Kellyanne. I've been there. I've been there a lot. What are my IB settings? I have it for the 15-minute setup for the 15-minute opening range. It shows the 15-minute opening range, but then I just, man, I might take this again. Oh, do I do it? Do I do it? Do I do it? Do I do it? Gotta make a decision. We're doing it. I'm gonna scalp this. I'm just gonna scalp this. Let's go. I just scalpy. Scalpity, scalpity. We are green once again. Let's go. We've battled back once more. Recovered from our opening loss. Let's go. And not for nothing, though, we could have been great traders back then once the low was in. Yeah. Okay, John, do you have is this his, hang on. Oh, Farming Simulator multiplayer. Wow, he has 1.1 million subs. Raptor. Guys, do you know how close I was? When was it? I think it was last night. Last night, I don't think hang on. Why is this? Anyway, I don't think my wife is listening. But I was playing Farming Simulator until 2 o'clock in the morning. Whoops. uh, Go and trades. That's an interesting idea. I did not look at the days of the week when I back tested that strategy. How much is Farming Simulator? Depends which version you get, but I think it's like $49.99 for the base game. What's a good game to play on Xbox? Oh man, you guys, Farming Simulator, man. What are they making? They're doing, are they doing carrots? No, they're doing potatoes. Oh my gosh. This guy's die hard. I love it. Oh man. Is it on Steam, Dustin? Yes, it is. I joined the stream late yesterday and didn't catch why your $400 loss was erased. Leaf Swan. So I guess there were some issues with Rhythmic. Um, there were some issues with Rhythmic that Apex. So Apex reset all of the accounts that ended the day in red, even the ones that weren't affected. So I know it's the popular thing to hate on Apex, but they really did a solid on that one. I was stoked. Felt like a cheated. I just cheated or something. All right. We failed to make a new low here. This is always where I start to look for a long. And man, do I want to take a stab at this? I don't think I will. It's just too risky. John, tell me that you've gotten addicted to watching Farming Simulator streams. Hmm. Do you play the non-electric Amish version of Farming Sim? No, I do not. Wait, you make mods for Farming Simulator, Lance? Are you serious? You love my reaction to it? Dude, I was showing the video of the guy with the sim setup. I was showing that to my fellow farmers. I was showing that to my fellow farm sim friends. Everybody was slobbering. It was a big slobber fest watching all that. Ugh. I should stream your farming sim. I almost did the other day. Wait, you have a Discord with over 6K members with Farm Sim, Lance? Send me an email. I would love to join. You are my hero, by the way, Lance. One thing is the farming simulator community. Without mods, it would not be the same. So if you make mods for Farming Simulator, Lance, big thumbs up, man. You are my hero. I have man. I love it. I love it. I just be prepared. I might go on a random, you might see a random stream from me here in the future, or maybe on a Saturday, or on a Friday night, or on a Sunday afternoon. You might see a random farming simulator stream. So just saying, you might see it. Okay, market. Are we going to keep ripping this thing lower, or what is the plan? All right, let's see. Are we gonna? I mean, I still feel like we can go test this 700 level at some point today. So kind of waiting. Let's. I'm just gonna wait. I wouldn't mind. I mean, if it wouldn't be for this double bottom and resistance or support right here at the 750s, I think I'd take another short right here. But we got some support right here at the 750s. And we failed to make new lows on this move lower. So let's see. Let's wait and see what happens. Let's try and be patient. Hey, Kiamber Trades, good morning. I mainly make construction mods, trailers, and trucks. Hey, that's awesome, Lance. Yeah, you can share, well, you need to share a link, Lance, and you won't be able to share a link. I'd love to join your Discord on that. Lance, there's my email. Send me an email. If you need a custom build for farming sim, I can put in touch with a mate. He's getting called up by JCB and JD several implements. Let's go, Sam. Hey, I didn't know we had fellow farming simulator fans in the chat. Let's go. That fires me up. Okay, Lance modding. Okay. Hey, let's go, Lance. I'm in. They all join for the mods and then they go AFK. Oh, I'm sure. It's fine. I don't mind. Awesome. Okay, market. What are we doing? Let's go. Okay, again, we did not make new lows here. Whoa, man. It's tempting here to go long. But I'm not going to do it. The prices are dropping fast. Hey, Mr. Ponzi in the house. We should ask Nutty to change the subject of the channel. Sim might be a better money making. At least we don't lose money. True. Did I move out of Ohio, Mr. Hansi? Yes, I did. I did. I'm playing Trading Simulator. Aren't we all? Black Friday. All right, this looks like we want to go higher. But I don't really trust it enough to take a long here. Top of this. I do not know that I trust it enough to take a long. It's tempting me though. There it goes. There it goes. This is ripping it. All right, testing VWAP now. Testing the VWAP. Wow. It's a nice rip higher. Feels bad. Feels bad. I'm long and I closed the green in position. Do you think it was wise? Ponzi, meet you all at the bottom. Yeah, I know. It was snowing yesterday. Yeah, last night. I don't know if any of you watched the Browns Steelers game last night, but man, was it snowing. It was snowing like crazy in Cleveland last night. Oh, it was fun to watch. That was a fun game to watch. If we don't win another game as a Browns fan, I'm kind of okay with. I'm happy. That's how low my expectations are for the Browns this year. They are very, very, very low. All right, market. Are we going to just rip this or not? And now we're ripping back down. Hmm. Man, do I... And we're right back down. Man, I want to... Do I just take this? I want to go short right here, but I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. It's got the potential to trap here, the shorts. Oh man, I like being okay, you know what? We're sizing down and we're going short. We're taking this. Not sure I'm going to let that go against me that much, but maybe we did get trapped. I think. Give me a continuation here. Come on. Big rip lower right here. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on. I'm not going to let this go against me. I'm not going to let it go against me that much. Stop at break even. We're going to get stopped out here on our runner. Very, very likely. Let's go. All right, we're just going to take that. We are going to take that. Hey, Danny boy. Blew 400K and 10K profits today? No way, Danny boy. That sucks. I'm sorry. Oh, ouch. That is not fun. It's easy. If your next trade would be a loser, just don't trade. Exactly, Chetnik. I mean, I think we could continue to go lower here, but at this point, I'm kind of in a scalping mode because of the market. I mean, right now the market is just kind of going every which way. You made 400K funding. Okay, I was hoping that's right. Yeah, the price action actually hasn't been great today. I feel very lucky to be green. Especially starting the day out, we took another our nutty strategy this morning was another loss. So we literally had to dig ourselves out of a hole again today. So I'm actually quite pleased with being green today. Like now I want to, like now I actually like kind of, if this fails and does not make new lows, okay, now it's going to make new lows. Never mind. There she goes. I think we're going to go test that 700 area. That overnight low, I think, is going to get tested. The way, I don't know. Obviously, I don't know, but that's my theory. My theory. Big green day if it hadn't opened the trade on all accounts. No, S. I meant to trade on all accounts. Whoa, what was that spike? What was that spike higher? Jeez. Oh, I'm tempted now to go long. Okay, we need to stop trading. I'm over trading right now. Totally over trading. I should not have taken this trade. I should not have taken this trade. Do I just kill this? I do not like it. Okay, never mind. I love this trade. Go, baby, go! All right, we're just locking it in. Rip it, baby. Hey, sometimes you just get lucky. If we get stopped out here for break even, I don't mind. If we hit our target, I'm going to be great. I'm going to be very happy. Do I need to step out of the closet? Do I need to? And there it is. Stopped out. It's okay. I'll take that, honestly. That was not really a good trade. Okay. Okay, guys. I need to shut it down. I am over trading and I need to shut it down. And I think live unable to reestablish connection. What? It says panic. Okay, now we're back. Carolina, you and me both. I'm going to call it there, guys. I'm happy. I'm happy with today. So, all right, I'm going to call it. I hope every one of you has a great Friday. Thanks for the subs. Thanks for the support. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. And we will be back on Monday. Take care, everyone. Have a great weekend. And God bless. Oh, wow. We would have been filled. Oh, wow. Anyway, whatever.